guys, welcome to another video. So today it is time for Madam Glam's new gel polish collection. So the name of this new April collection is called House of Light, and these are some gorgeous bright pastel shades. So the four that I have chosen this month are I Rule, Aries Season, Lightborn, and The King's Speech. I've also got a couple of other new products that's just been brought out on the Madam Glam website. So we've got the Mirage 3D Sculpting Gel, and we've got the Frosting 3D Art Gel. I just wanted to show you these very quickly today, but I'm going to do a video on these in the next few days, and I'll show you a few things what you can do with them. I'm going to give these a quick swatch so we can take a look at the colours, and I'm going to finish off doing a little design with them. Take a look at what they're like using them for nail art. So I've got my swatch sticks all ready with the labels on. We're all ready to go. Let's get some swatching done. So the first one is going to be Aries Season. Ooh, I can see me liking these a lot. They're pastels, but they're really nice bright pastel shades. Look at that one. So that is Aries Season. I like it. And Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Next one is Lightborn. Ooh, look at that one. I like it. These are right up my street. I love bright pastel shades. So this one is I Rule. Oh, look at that blue. I love these. These are all one coaters as well. Most of Madam Glam gel polishes are one coaters, to be honest, but these are going on beautifully. Really, really nice. Also, guys, I've now got a new nail area that I'm recording from. So I just want to apologise if I am going out of shot a little bit more than usual, because I'm just getting used to this new setup. But let me know what you think to the quality of the video, please, guys. I could really do with some feedback on what the quality of my videos like with this new setup. And then lastly, we've got The King's Speech. Ooh, I think this one's going to be my favourite. It's like pastel peach. I like it. Ooh, yeah, I think that's probably my favourite. That is so pretty. So that one is The King's Speech. So I'm just going to give them all a coat of Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Then cure that. And then I'm just going to run along the bottom half of the swatch stick with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. I do like my swatches to be half matte, half shiny, because some colours look different when they're matte to when they're shiny. So I think it's nice to be able to get a look at what they look like both. Ooh, yeah, look at these colours, guys. These are right up my street. They're pastels, but they're a really nice bright pastel shade. They're all one coaters. Just trying to show you what they look like, matte and shiny. There's not a great deal between the matte and shiny, is there, in these colours? But you can kind of see where the light's hitting them. Yeah, I like these. These are really nice shades. They're going to be great for some spring designs, Easter designs. I like them. Right, so I think today I'm going to do, you know, like the half French tip design. I think I'm going to do something like that. So I'm going to get it set up and I'll pop back in once I'm ready to go. Right, so I'm going to start off by giving all 4 tips a coat of Madame Glam's Cream Donut. I love this colour, guys. It makes a beautiful nail bed colour. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. I've sealed all of that in with the velvet matte top coat. Because I'm going to be doing some artwork on these nails, I just find doing artwork over a matte surface is so much easier. You might find as well, guys, that this part of the video is a little bit lighter because I've only just realised I didn't have my lights on the right setting. So I'm going to start off by using the I Rule, which is the blue, and I'm just going to paint half a French tip. So I've laid most of the product down with the brush out of the bottle. Now I'm going to be using Madame Glam's striping brush just to neaten that up. Then I'm going to give that a cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to do the same on the middle nail with Light Born. Next one is Aries Season, which is the green. And then lastly on the pinky, we're going to use the King's Speech. Right, so that's that bit all done, guys. Now I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's white gel paint. I've pulled out this super long liner brush what I got from Aliexpress. I've been dying to try this liner brush. I've had it for ages and just not got around to trying it. And I'm just going to paint the... how do I explain this? I've got no clue how to explain what I'm doing here, so I think I'm just going to let you get on and watch this bit. Ooh, I like this brush. So I'm going to do the other two off camera, and these Madam Glam gel paints cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds, guys. Now I've pulled out these 3D flowers. I've got every single colour apart from that kind of lime green pastel. So I've decided I'm going to make my own. So I've pulled out this 3D flower mould from Varnail, and I'm popping some of that Aries season, which is the green, into the flower mould. And then I've took a little scraper and I'm just going to scrape away that excess and then pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Right, I'm just going to seal all this artwork in now, guys, with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Right, we're just going to finish off these with some 3D flowers. I'm going to do a little cuticle design using matching colours. So I'm just going to put a gem glue in that cuticle area, like that. And I'm going to put that flower just there, like that. And I'm just adding a couple of SS6 clear crystals next to that, like that. So I'm going to do the rest on all the other nails, and then we'll come back and take a look at them, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? I wish I'd used smaller crystals just on the ends of these cuticle cuffs. But other than that, I like them. I really like those colours, you know. Let's have a look at the swatches again very, very quickly. There we go, guys. That is the swatches. Really beautiful, bright pastel shades, aren't they? So we've got the King's Speech, Lightborn, Aries Season, and I Rule. I'm really happy with those. Really happy with those. So I'm sure I'll be using those in some upcoming videos very soon. And another thing, guys, because they are so pigmented, when you're using these gel polishes for nail art, you don't have to keep going over the artwork. One coat is plenty. They was all one coaters. Yeah, I really like those. I think they're a cute little French spring design. I like them. So, guys, everything that I have used today, I shall leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a 30% off Madam Glam discount code, which is always in my description box, GG30. Don't forget to pop that in the checkout to save yourself 30% off your order. Madam Glam do a VIP membership as well. If anyone's interested in finding out more about that, If you click the link pinned in my comments, that will take you over onto their website. You'll find all the information that you need to on that there. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing as well. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.